Welcome back to Health Diagnosis. Today, we're talking about 3 simple foods that many health experts consider some of the most important foods for overall health: eggs, salmon, and bread. These foods are affordable, easy to find, and packed with nutrients that support energy, muscle growth, brain function, and overall wellness. If you look at the image, you can see these 3 foods highlighted. While no single food can provide everything our body needs, these foods can play a valuable role in a balanced diet. Let's explore why they are so important and how you can include them in your daily meals. First, let's talk about eggs. Eggs are often called one of nature's most complete foods. They contain high-quality protein, which means they provide all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair tissues. Protein is important for muscles, skin, hair, and even your immune system. One large egg contains around 6 to 7 grams of protein. Eggs are also rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, selenium, and choline. Choline is especially important because it supports brain health and memory function. Many people used to avoid eggs because of cholesterol concerns. However, modern research shows that for most healthy people, moderate egg consumption can be part of a healthy diet. In fact, eggs can help you feel full longer, which may reduce unnecessary snacking throughout the day. You can enjoy eggs in many ways: boiled, scrambled, poached, or as part of a healthy breakfast. Pairing eggs with vegetables can make the meal even more nutritious. Now let's move on to salmon. Salmon is one of the most nutritious fish you can eat. It is famous for its omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats that support heart health, brain function, and reduce inflammation in the body. Many people do not get enough omega-3 fats in their diet. Adding salmon once or twice a week can help improve your intake significantly. Omega-3s may support healthy blood vessels, help maintain normal cholesterol levels, and contribute to better cognitive function. Salmon is also an excellent source of protein. A serving of salmon provides a large amount of high-quality protein that helps maintain muscle mass and supports recovery after physical activity. In addition, salmon contains vitamin D, which is important for strong bones and immune health. Since many people have low vitamin D levels, foods like salmon can be a valuable addition to the diet. Another benefit of salmon is its nutrient density. It provides many essential nutrients while being relatively low in calories compared to many processed foods. Grilled, baked, or air-fried salmon can be a delicious and healthy meal choice. Next, let's discuss bread. Bread sometimes gets a bad reputation, but not all bread is the same. Whole grain bread can be an excellent source of carbohydrates, which are the body's primary source of energy. Your brain, muscles, and organs all rely on carbohydrates for fuel. Choosing high-quality whole grain bread provides energy along with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Fiber is especially important because it supports healthy digestion and helps you feel satisfied after eating. Whole grains also contain nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and magnesium that help support overall health. The key is choosing the right type of bread. Whole grain and whole wheat varieties are generally better options than highly processed white bread because they retain more of the grain's natural nutrients. Bread can also serve as a practical base for nutritious meals. For example, you can pair whole grain bread with eggs for a protein-rich breakfast or enjoy it with salmon for a balanced lunch. So why are these 3 foods so powerful together? Eggs provide high-quality protein and essential vitamins. Salmon provides protein and heart-healthy omega-3 fats. Whole grain bread provides energy-rich carbohydrates and fiber. When combined, they create a balanced meal that includes protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates as the 3 major nutrients your body needs every day. Imagine starting your morning with scrambled eggs on whole grain toast. For lunch, you could enjoy a salmon sandwich on whole grain bread. These simple meals provide lasting energy, support muscle health, and help keep you feeling satisfied. Of course, it is important to remember that health is about overall dietary patterns, not just individual foods. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, seeds, and plenty of water should also be part of a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, quality sleep, and stress management are equally important. But if you are looking for a simple starting point, eggs, salmon, and whole grain bread are excellent foods to include in your routine. They are nutritious, versatile, and supported by a strong nutritional foundation. Thank you for watching Health Diagnosis. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health tips. Let us know in the comments, which of these 3 foods do you eat most often: eggs, salmon, or bread? We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.